So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to type bold letters on WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the inbox of your WhatsApp. Now to send a bold letter, tap on person's account whom you want to send message like this. Now tap on a message icon which is available on the lower corner of left side. So tap on it, then you will see your keyboard. Now just tap on 123 icon which is available on the lower corner of left side, and here you will find the option of stars. So tap on it and tap a message and again tap on star. Now see, your message has been set as bold. Now to send this message you should have to tap on send icon which is available on the lower corner of left side. So tap on it. Now see, you can see the difference between upper message and lower message. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.